The deer and I are always fighting over who gets my plants, me to enjoy or the deer to eat them. This has been my favorite and most effective thing that I have personally used on my plants. This I Must Garden, it is spice scent, so I don't think it smells horrible. It has like a cinnamon and clove kind of smell. My wife doesn't love it, but it's also not a super chemical smell, which is really nice. This is a concentrate. It will make 2.25 gallons if you use this whole thing. It covers up to 10,000 square feet. It is rain resistant, so what I like to do is to spray it just after a rain, and I usually skip the next rain or so. I do try to put this on every couple of weeks just for the first part of a season, just to get the deer used to going away from it. But then I find I don't do it but once every 3 to 4 weeks, maybe more heavily on the plants I know they like better, like roses and any of my grasses that they like. But it's super easy to make, and I think it's amazing. The instructions on the back tell you how to mix it. I like to mix it up with 32 ounces of water. So it's 4 ounces of this, 28 ounces of water. It's clearly marked on the side, so you have this to go by. I can see how much I have. Let me show you what it actually looks like and how easy it is to mix. So to mix up the concentrate, the first thing we need to do is give this a good shake. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's that mustardy yellow color. So I need 4 ounces for this container. So I just want to put 4 ounces in, and we'll see if you can see how thick it is. All right, there it is in the bottle, 4 ounces of it. Now you just want to top it with water, put on your lid, give it another good shake, and then you want to spray on your plants until they're wet. I typically make sure I can see lots of the solution on top of my leaves, and then I move to the next plant. This is really nice and solid in color right now, but it does separate. So if you put this in your garage, tomorrow you're gonna come out and a lot of the concentrate's gonna be down at the bottom. Don't worry about that. Go ahead, give it a good shake again, and you're good to go. Make sure you shake it every time, and at the end of the season, if you don't have deer eating anything in the winter, then make sure your bottle's empty. It does not clog the bottle if you give it a good shake, but if it settles and you start pumping that bottle, it is gonna clog it up. If I shake it up every time, I've never had any issues. Guys, this I Must Garden stuff, you must have.